Hello guys, file system error having error code 21472191995 in Windows 11 started appearing after a Windows update. Previously user could open their pictures and music files normally, but after this update they kept getting this error. Today in this video we will solve these issues. Basically it is related to Photos app. So to fix this file system error, run the Windows Store Apps troubleshooter first. Open Windows Settings. Under System Settings, look for Troubleshoot. Click on it. Thereafter choose Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and locate Windows Stores Apps Troubleshoot. Click on Run and let the window detect the issue and they fix them accordingly. Wait for some times. The second workaround to fix this file system error code is repair the Photos app. Again go to Settings, Windows Settings. From the left pane of choose Apps. Thereafter choose Installed Apps. And here look for Photos app. You may type in search field to find out, and Microsoft Photo will appear. Click on three dot and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and first choose Repair and then thereafter choose Reset. It will reset your photo and error will no longer be available. The next workaround is again go to Windows Search and re-register the Photos app. Type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. We will re-register Photos app in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and here execute the command as shown on your screen. This command path will also available in my video description. You may copy from there. Simply copy this code and paste in command prompt Windows and press enter and restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system. Thereafter reinstall the Photos app. Again open command prompt Windows and execute this command in command prompt Windows. It will reinstall Photos app afresh in Windows 11 and Windows 10 and your error will definitely resolved.